Hey, hey, it's Mrs. Massey, and today we are going to be talking about our 6 facts. And the strategy that we are going to be using is something that requires us to use smaller chunks of our equation to be able to solve using things that we already know. So in order to be successful with today's strategy, you will need to be familiar with knowing your 3's facts or knowing a strategy to be able to solve your 3's facts. So let's go ahead and get started. The problem that we're going to be looking at is 6 times 6. Or remember, anytime you see that multiplication symbol, I need for you to think of that as 6 groups of 6. So with this strategy, I want for you to be thinking of chopping something in half and then doubling it again. So for this particular problem, I might not know what 6 times 6 is, but if I chop my 6, one of the 6's, in half, and think of it in terms of 3 times 6, right here, what I have is I'm just going to think of 6 groups of 3 instead. So what I know is that if I have 3 groups of 6, my answer is 18. So if I chop something in half, when I chop it in half, I can't just leave it alone and no longer think about what I have down here, right? Now, when I'm finished chopping it in half and knowing what 6 groups of 3 is, then I can now double it again. So I have 18 plus 18. So if I chop it away and I make it go away, I still have to double it to remember that I still have 6 times 6 as my problem, not just 3 times 6. So if I have 18, I have to add it again. I have to double it to get it back. So 18 plus 18, I'll give you a couple of moments to solve that. What's 18 plus 18? The answer is 36. So 6 times 6 is 36. So when you're solving problems, multiplying things by 6, think of it in terms of 3 times something instead. Make it into a smaller chunk, a chunk that's more manageable. And then from there, don't forget to double it. So when you see 6's, think of chopping it in half and then doubling it again. If you have any questions, ask your teacher. Make good choices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.